In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to organize your Notion notes, 5 minutes. First, sign into Notion so you're inside your workspace and ready to build. If you're brand new, the default sidebar and sample pages are fine. You can clean those up later. The goal today is to create a simple, scalable system that keeps your notes easy to find and easy to use. A fast way to start is with templates. Open the templates section and search for note taking. Pick a layout that feels close to your style. Templates give you instant structure and you can customize anything afterward. Create a new page for your notes. Give it an icon and a cover so it's recognizable at a glance. Inside the page, press the slash key to open the command menu and add core elements like a heading 1 for your title or a bulleted list for quick thoughts. Think of the slash menu as your toolbox. Nearly everything you need lives there. Now shape your content. Add clear sections like summary at the top and details below. Use toggles to tuck away long explanations so you can skim the page without losing depth. Callouts are great for key ideas, decisions, or definitions you'll want to see instantly. Drop in images or screenshots when visuals make something clearer. Checkboxes make action items obvious and trackable, right where the ideas were born. If you prefer a clean visual layout, type slash columns to create multiple columns, then drag blocks into each column. A classic setup is notes on the left, references in the middle, and tasks on the right. For speed, remember that typing a dash and space makes a bullet point, and typing square brackets instantly turns into a checkbox. As your notes grow, move them into a database so they stay organized. Add properties like status, tags, source, and date. This lets you filter, sort, and group notes later without changing their content. Create linked databases on your dashboard to surface the same notes in different places, one for research, one for meeting notes, all powered by the same master database. Build views that match how you work. A board by status, a list filtered by topic, or a calendar to see notes by date. Finally, keep a simple quick notes page for fleeting thoughts. Capture first, then drag those notes into your main database when you're ready to organize. That's it. Clean structure, quick capture, and powerful retrieval all inside Notion.